In primetime news this evening, death penalty notice. Prosecution tells court it's subjective for accused in Clarendon family murder case. What does the notice of death penalty mean? We get legal and human rights perspective on the development. And later, court dismisses case against TVJ videographer in 2020 Nomination Day incident.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also in this evening's package, the Business Day, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we want to know, what do you think about the death penalty notice from the office of the DPP in the Clarendon family murder case? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet @televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.